వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఈ వీడియోలో కొత్తగా అప్డేట్ అయిన ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇండియన్ మిలిటరీ ఎక్సైజెస్ గురించి మనం చర్చించుకుందాం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చూడండి, మిత్ర శక్తి ఇట్ ఈస్ బిట్వీన్ ద ఇండియా అండ్ శ్రీలంక, మనకు వెన్యూ పూణే. సెకండ్ది స్లైనెక్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఇండియా అండ్ శ్రీలంక, వెన్యూ విశాఖపట్నం. నెక్స్ట్ సూర్య కిరణ్ ఎక్సైజ్ బిట్వీన్ ఇండియా అండ్ నేపాల్, వెన్యూ Salijandi, Nepal. Next, fourth exercise, hand in hand between India and China, venue Umroi in Meghalaya. Fifth exercise, Zair Al Bahir and between India and Qatar, venue Doha, Qatar. Next, Indra exercise between India and Russia and venue Babina and Jhansi, Pune, Goa. Next, Kastlik between India and Uzbekistan, venue Uzbekistan. Next, Samudra Shakti between India and Indonesia, venue Bay of Bengal. Next, Nomadic Elephant exercise between India and Mongolia, venue Baklo, Himachal Pradesh. Next, Equiverin between India and Maldives, venue Pune. Next, Samudra Lakshmana between India and Malaysia, venue Malaysia. And next, Kazind between India and Kazakhstan, venue Pitagora, UK. Next, Corpat between India and Bangladesh, venue Bay of Bengal. Next, Shinyu Maitri between India and Japan, venue West Bengal. Next, Karma Cardian between India and Japan, venue Vairtange, Mizoram. Next, Imnex between India and Myanmar, venue Vishakhapatnam. Next, Sitmex between India and Singapore and Thailand, venue Port Blair, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Next, Winbucks between India and Vietnam, venue Hanoi, Vietnam. Next, Malabar between India, USA and Japan, venue Sasebo in Japan. Next, Garuda between India and France, venue France. Shakti between India and France, venue Jaipur, Rajasthan. Next, Varuna between India and France, venue 19.1 is Goa, 19.2 is Dijibouti. Next, Tiger Triumph between India and USA, venue Vishakhapatnam. Next, Vajra Praha between India and USA, venue Seattle, USA. Next, Yuddha Abhyas between India and USA, venue Washington DC. Next, Bold Kurukshetra between India and Singapore, venue Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Next, Osindex between India and Australia, venue Vishakhapatnam. Next, Alnaga between India and Oman, venue Oman. Next, Nasim Al Bahir between India and Oman, venue Goa. Next, Sampriti between India and Bangladesh, venue Umroi, Meghalaya. Next, Azea Warrior between India and UK, venue Salisbury Plains, UK. Next, Sahyog Keizi between India and Japan, venue Chennai in Tamil Nadu state. Next, BIMSTEC disaster management exercise 2020, it is in Odisha. Next, Indradhanush between India and UK, venue Hindon Air Force Station, Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh. And the last exercise, SAREX 2020, conducts by Indian Coast Guard in Goa. Thank you. Jai Hind.